Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards today. Today is a sacred gift from the universe. Regular self-reflection fosters self-awareness, enabling personal growth, and helps you make informed decisions aligned with your values and aspirations. Number 8. Regular self-reflection. Take a moment to gaze into the mirror of self-reflection and unlock the mysteries of your soul, or at least figure out why you keep losing your socks. Take a moment to get clear on the future you're saying yes to with your actions. I refuse to deprive myself of the teeny splurgy pleasures that spark my daily joy. I'm a lot more fun when I'm not a hollow, gray-eyed husk of resentment. He was frank with me. Make me one with everything. Alrighty, and the quotes today. Not all relationships will lead to marriage. Some will help you discover new restaurants. Sometimes you don't get what you want because you deserve better. People have thrown dirt on my name, others have thrown flowers. Either way, it's a garden to me. Understand this. Bad chapters can still create great stories. Wrong paths can still lead to right places. Failed dreams can still create successful people. Sometimes it takes losing yourself to find yourself. Each of us must confront our own fears, must come face to face with them. How we handle our fears will determine where we go with the rest of our lives. To experience adventure or be limited by the fear of it. I am grateful for the earth and all of her gifts that nourishes and sustains me every day. Thank you, Mother Earth. I love you with all of my heart. Aww. If things are not going well, it's best not to make important decisions during this time and wait until you're in a good frame of mind and have gathered enough information to make an informed decision. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.